Hey, it's Debbie here with another Fit Food review. First, this is Petite Collier. I think that's how I pronounce it. These are 70% cacao, extra dark chocolate with the shortbread biscuits. These are so good. Got these from Big Lots. These are delicious. Yum. Recommend these. And nutritionals aren't bad. Just have them in moderation. 2 biscuits, not bad at all. So check that out. With ingredients and everything. So definitely recommend these. These are so good. Yum. And they come in 2 packets. So those are good. And I tried these at Big Lots. Especially a Cold Stone inspired birthday cake. Cold Stone don't have birthday cake anymore because everybody else has birthday cakes. Twinkies, all Nabisco products, all Keebler products, different ice cream companies. Everybody's having birthday cake. So Cold Stone no longer has birthday cake. But these are good. They're nice and crunchy. These are good. But of course they have an aftertaste. All protein bars have a little bit of aftertaste. So, but these are good. I recommend these. Anyway, is that upside down? No, that's fine. Yep. So definitely recommend these. And then, these are pretty good. These protein nature bites. Dark chocolate sea salt. Optimum nutrition. So these are pretty good. Satisfying a sweet craving. But they do have aftertaste like all protein products. And good nutritionals. Decent. So definitely recommend those. Check that out. And I made a smoothie. I love making smoothies. But I made this at work in a blender. And so I did fresh blackberries, which are on sale for 88 cents a pack at Kroger. That was a sweet deal. Oh, this is a Contago. I love these kind. I gave these to the boys, but I'm borrowing it. Excuse me, because I didn't bring mine. So fresh blackberries. And then, what I had, pineapple juice, almond milk. What else? Chia seeds, ashwagandha, powder. Oh, and a vanilla protein powder, a vegan protein. I forgot what kind it was, but this is delicious and nutritious, and it's a sweet treat. So I got a lot. It's more than 24 ounces. Gosh, probably like 36 ounces. So this is delicious. I'm going to drink all this at one time. And I'll probably put some lemon juice in it because I forgot to add that. I like to add a lot of good things to my smoothies to make it nutritious. And I make my own. And I don't buy them anymore because they put sugar in it. You got to remember to tell them not to put sugar. But, and the vanilla protein is sweet enough. Adds a little sweetness. Gives me extra protein. So I didn't work out this week. So hopefully I'll have enough energy to work out tomorrow if I'm not, too tired from food prepping and chores and stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a good weekend.